I own a lot of fragrances, and one of the first fragrances that I ever bought was Rose Prick from Tom Ford. So I thought I'd do a makeup look inspired by Rose Prick, which would be pink. I'm starting with the Complexion Rescue from Bare Minerals. I don't know why people don't talk about this anymore. I mean, sure, it's not the new hotness. It's been around for a while. And yeah, maybe your mom wears it. But you know what? Her skin looks amazing. I would put this up against any new product or any product that's gone viral. Just because it's old doesn't mean it's not great. To blend it, I'm going to use the Palm brush from Artis. And this used to be sold everywhere. Sephora carried it, Nordstrom carried it, and now it's really hard to find except for on the Artis website. I don't know why. This is so good. And for some reason, y'all woke up one day and went, no, we don't care. Nothing blends a complexion product better than this brush. Behold. It's quick, it's easy, the blend is seamless. Ten out of 10, no notes. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Gucci because this has more of a pink tone to it than an orange, and that's going to go better with the all pink everything. Down the neck. For blush, I'm using the Baby Cheeks blush stick from Westman Atelier in this very pink shade, Poppet. I've actually never used this shade, so here we go. Do we have pink face? No. I think that's nice. I'm going to set it with the Givenchy Prisme Libre powder in the pink shade. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. I'm not using anything under the eyes because I think the natural redness from having no sleep is going to add to the overall pinkness of the look. The Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette has a lot of great pink tones, and I think I'll start with this color Fair all over the eye. In the crease, I'm going to use this color Wit. And on the outer corner, this color Vague. Now let's add some shimmer. Look at this sparkly pink color, Mia. That's gonna go great. A little bit of fallout, but not too bad. For mascara, I'm going to use Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the Dream Pop shade. It's like a burgundy reddish color. Can I put this on without flaring my nostrils or opening my mouth? I think it needs more blush. That's better. Super loaded tinted highlighter in Peau de Santé. It's pinky, creamy, and shimmery. I'll just put it here. Look at that. And now for the lips. I'm just using this Sephora lip liner. It's in the shade Cashmere Pink. It's a little light for me, but it's the only pink I had. I am not overlining my lips. And finally, the Squeaky Clean Lip Balm from Westman Atelier in the shade Chou. And there you have it.
And there we go, guys.